In the fast-paced world of retail and hospitality, having a reliable and flexible POS system is essential. From managing inventory and staff to processing payments and analyzing performance, businesses today need more than just a cash register. They need a full management platform. Epos now delivers exactly that. Designed for both retail shops and hospitality venues like cafes, restaurants, and bars, Epos now combines ease of use with deep functionality in a cloud based point of sale solution. As of 2025, Epos now is a widely trusted POS platform used by thousands of businesses worldwide. Its modular design allows owners to choose only the tools they need, while its cloud based infrastructure means you can manage your business from anywhere at any time. In this video, we'll walk through the key features of Epos Now, explain and explore why it's a smart, scalable choice for modern businesses. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the flexible product and menu management. Whether you're selling retail items or building a restaurant menu, Epos Now makes it easy to customize your offerings. You can create categories, set product variants, define recipes or ingredients for food service, and add barcodes or SKUs. For restaurants, modifiers and combo deals can be added directly to menu items. This simplifies the ordering process for staff and ensures pricing accuracy across multiple locations or departments. Another key feature is the integrated payment processing. Epos now supports various payment types, including credit/debit cards, contactless payments, mobile wallets, and even payment plans or account tabs. Their payment terminals integrate directly with the POS, reducing manual entry and speeding up transactions. This improves checkout efficiency and enhances the customer experience by offering multiple payment options. Another key feature is the inventory management with low stock alerts. The inventory system tracks quantities in real time and allows you to set stock alerts, manage suppliers, and automate purchase orders. For restaurants, ingredient level tracking ensures you always know what's available in the kitchen. This reduces waste and stock outs while making it easier to manage purchasing and food or product costs. Another key feature is the employee management and permissions. You can create user roles and control what each team member can access. Staff can clock in and out directly from the terminal, and performance can be tracked through individual sales reports and shift summaries. This streamlines labor management and improves accountability, especially for businesses with rotating shifts or large teams. Another key feature is the reporting and real time business insights. The Epos Now dashboard provides detailed analytics on sales, product performance, customer trends, and staff activity. Reports can be accessed from any device, allowing you to monitor business performance in real time or generate exportable reports for accounting. This empowers you to make data driven decisions quickly, whether it's adjusting pricing, reordering inventory, or rewarding top performing staff. So, why is Epos Now a great choice? Epos Now is built to grow with your business. It's equally capable in retail and hospitality environments, which makes it an excellent option for businesses that sell both products and services, like coffee shops that also sell merchandise or bars that host events. Its cloud-based nature gives you freedom to manage your operations on site or remotely, and with integrations for accounting, delivery, and marketing, you can customize your setup to match your workflow. Epos Now also offers its own app marketplace, giving you the flexibility to add more features as you grow. Additionally, the company provides onboarding assistance, 24/7 support, and training resources, making it accessible even for those new to using POS systems. So, whether you're upgrading from a basic cash register or consolidating multiple tools into one solution, EPOS Now delivers the performance and convenience today's businesses demand. So, running a retail store or hospitality venue requires reliable tools that don't get in the way. Epos Now gives you a complete POS solution that covers all the essentials: product management, payments, inventory, staff, and reporting, while also offering the flexibility to adapt and grow. With its user-friendly design, powerful back-end tools, and deep integration capabilities, Epos Now helps business owners save time, improve operations, and focus more on serving customers. Whether you're managing a boutique, a food truck, or a restaurant chain, Epos Now is a scalable solution designed for modern success. So start setting up your Epos Now system today and take control of your business like never before. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.